evening, respected DC, judges, and yes, of course, how can I forget the very good and kind-hearted people of Tamenglong. Guy my things in Tamenglong. Here is your contestant number 1, Irene Asil, daughter of Tangboy Asil. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in Education, St. Mary's College, Shillong. I'm 20 years of age. And yes, I love playing basketball, football, playing table tennis, badminton, and in my free time, I love to read novels. And yes, last but not the least, I wish you all a very good and happiest Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Anunciasa Golsem. I am from Churchanpur and I am 24 years old. I love traveling and I love dancing, and I would like to explore so that I can get to learn about new peoples and their cultures. Moreover, I am a girl who always stay focused towards her responsibilities. And that's all about me. Thank you very much.
Guy meetings in. Achieving dreams and seeing miracles are all based on hard work. And my strength of hard work comes from seeing my mother. She is a source of my inspiration. Good evening, judges, dignitaries, and all the spectators who are here tonight to witness the 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018. I am Guy Singlong Liu Pamay, who is interested in reading and singing. And I am proud to represent my hometown Tamenglong. Counting on God's grace, I am trying to fulfill His unique desire by becoming an entrepreneur. Not just fulfilling my dreams, but drawing people one more step closer to their dreams. And I would like to say that to be successful in life, love yourself, love your job, and always try to say, today is my day. And that's how dreams are fulfilled. Thank you, and congrats to all the orange growers.
My Gwanata Guy meetings it. I'm Darshni from Sangakhom, Imphal, a graduate waiting to grab any opportunity that comes on my way.
When I'm free, you would either find me cooking, dancing, or listening to music. Tonight, I'm here because ever since my childhood, like every other girl, I wished for a tiara over my head, wearing a heel and walking gracefully on the runway. I believe beauty pageants is not just limited to those who has the perfect eyebrows or pins. It is about who is willing to push the envelope. So I'm taking this privilege to put myself forward, putting my existence of worthy cause. And if I happen to win this coveted title, I would use it to throw light on certain issues that needs urgent attention. And tonight, one of us would surely come out as a winner, but no matter who wins.
May gọi na ta gai may ting Tamenglong. And of course to my lovely judges. Work hard until you don't need to introduce yourself. Says your contestant number 7, Miss Bahoijong Hoki from Gangpupi district, wearing my traditional attire, Tadokuki. I am 20 years of age, currently pursuing my BA third semester at DM College of Arts in Fall. As a woman, I love to do gardening, especially flowers, and of course, I love modeling too. One day, I aspire to become a celebrity like our judges today. Last but not the least, I would like to leave a few words to you all that in order to become a successful person, the first thing we need to do is to fall in love with our own work. Thank you. Ragoang Ray Siham Langdiu Tamenglong.
Respected judges and ladies and gentlemen, I'm Helen Kamay from Tamenglong, currently undergraduate at DM College. I'm 19 years old, and apart from dancing, badminton and horse riding is what my heart wants to do. And as for me, I don't want to stay alone. I want to stay together as one. Unity is strength. Thank you.
Good afternoon, dear respected judges and everyone present here. I'm Jessica Laishram from Wangkai, Impal, age 22, and from my childhood, I love exploring the nature. And this interest has been a force to explore many things in my life. And today, I'm participating in Miss Orange 2018 is yet another reason to explore the beauty of it and bring about the things in their life. So, I'd like to say to all the farmers not to give up. It doesn't matter how slowly you are going, as long as you don't stop it. Thank you. Very loud, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
respected judges, and to one and all present here. Myself, Susmita Sapam from Wabagay, Lamkai Bazaar. Currently, I'm pursuing my graduation at DM College of Commerce. My hobbies include listening music, gardening, and singing. I'm here witnessing this beautiful Orange Festival, and I'm loving myself more and more to be a part of such beautiful festival and giving myself an opportunity to promote the orange growers and the oranges of the state. Thank you. Have a great day.
Judges and everyone present here. I'm Shalina Saikom from Kasamthong Hodam Merak, Imphal West, currently pursuing my master at Manipur University in Department of Life Science, which led to my hobby of gardening. I'm a person who believes in bringing changes for the betterment of a society. I aspire to become a supermodel and a professor as I gain my happiness sharing my knowledge. Tonight, I'm standing here to promote this Orange Festival and also to embrace my femininity. Thank you everyone and have a glamorous evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very special evening to all the judges. I am Ipe Wanglat Palme, a kind of girl who finds happiness in little things like dancing, playing, and exploring new things. Hailing from the beautiful bushland of oranges, that is Tamenglong. I have completed my master's degree in sociology, honors from Manipur University. And I want to be a strong and influential role model for the youth by becoming a social worker. As one of the contestants tonight, I would love to see this festival covering the whole world and bring peace, love, and joy by witnessing our oranges, which is grown from our own land. Thank you.
I'm Sangwon Liu Maren Mai from Ken Village, belonging to the Tamenglong community. I'm 19 years of age, currently pursuing my graduation. I love modeling and traveling. I'm strong and independent woman who dream of a gender egalitarian society where men and women enjoy equal rights and opportunity, where women are not considered as inferior ones. Confidence is the best thing a person can wear. So believe in yourself and live your life to the fullest. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
respected judges, and one and all present here. I'm wishing you all a very happy Orange Festival. I am Nai Hoi Ching Jong Loi from Giang Noi Village Cycle, presently pursuing BBA first semester at Temple of Learning Degree College, Kanchipur, Imphal. I aim to be a successful businessman and open up a shelter for homeless and orphan children. For me, being here is more than to own the title, but to show my love, respect, and appreciation to the Orange Grovers for the immense hard work. I have a quote say, "Crown is made of limestone. It is made of discipline, determination, and hard to find alloy courage. Beauty is all about knowing and accepting who you are. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. Nobody can go back and start a new life, but everyone can start today and make a new ending." Thank you so much.
A very good evening to respected judges and everyone who present here tonight. I myself, Kien Yam Juliu, your contestant number 15 from small and beautiful town Gongwai None district. I'm 18 years old. Right now I'm pursuing my tourism and hospitality management in Manipur University. I love reading Bible, traveling and exploring my skill and talent, and shopping because I'm a girl. In the future, I want to become a journalist. Thank you. Happy evening.
Judges and people who are present here today. I'm so glad and honored to introduce myself. Well, my name is Nemdun Hoi Khong Sai. I am from Phung Tin Cycle Village, from Manipur. Currently pursuing LLB first semester at Imphal Law College. In my life, I want to become a very successful social worker because I am passionate, compassionate, and dedicated to my works. I believe that I have a desire to promote orange plantation into a state to international level. I love reading books, watching movies, cooking, and interacting with people. Last but not the least, never lose yourself while trying to fit in the society. Be proud to be unique. Thank you.
Take this privilege to thank Almighty God. I am Pau Kindin Liu Junamai and I am 21 years old. I love traveling, I love singing, and I love designing. And in the future, I want to see myself as an entrepreneur because I want to serve my society and develop skills and jobs in my community. The reason why I chose to be an entrepreneur is because I am a very hardworking woman. And I belong to the Tamenglong community. And lastly, the thought which gives me courage and confidence is that it's not about who you are today, it's all about who you are better tomorrow. Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen. I'm Thai Liu Gang Mai, 25 years old from Chuluan. I've completed my master in sociology from Nehu Shillong, and currently I'm teaching in St. Edmunds College, Shillong, and I enjoy myself in listening to music, and I'm also interested in shopping, modeling, and also reading. And I would like to see myself as a professor. Thank you all.
Respected judges and everyone. I'm Susna Maibam from Khadimpally Pankha in Phang West District. Currently, I'm pursuing my bachelor degree from Manipur College. I would say that I'm a very friendly, happy person who just wants to make the people around me happy. My smile can make everyone feel better. My hobbies include singing and dancing. I want to be a doctor because I want to contribute towards the health of women